Today I'll be using the turtle wax. This is the bottle of the turtle wax. It could remove scratch, paint transfer, and zero marks. There's instruction on the back side on how to use it. According to the instruction, it could remove scratch up to 1,000 grit. I'm gonna use this sponge foam pad. Put it onto a drill driver. Apply some of the turtle wax on the foam. There's a lot of scratch on this next to the door handle. After I do that, I'm gonna wipe it with a microfiber cloth. There's still scratch on it. I'll try it one more time. Not as good as I want it to be, but might getting a little better. I did wash this car before I started on this, so the car's been washed. I'll try this scratch. It's not gonna work on this because I think this is a paint chip, but it might work on this. For this time, I'm gonna just put it on a microfiber cloth. And then there's the scratch. Then wipe it off with a clean microfiber cloth. The scratch is still there. I think the scratch is more than 1,000 grit. I'll try this. This other side of the microfiber cloth is clean, so I'm gonna just use this to wipe it. Okay, so this turned out good.